Hello. Bari is the metropolitan capital of Puglia and also a province. The 6 provinces are Bari, Foggia, Lecce, Taranto, Brindisi, Barletta, Andria, Trani. The regional capital of Puglia is Bari. The population of Bari is just under 325,000. It is the second largest economic centre behind Naples in the south of Italy. Puglia borders Molise in the north and the Adriatic Sea in the east. It borders the Ionian Sea in the south. To the west, it borders the Basilicata, Campania, and the Ionian Sea. Geography. The territory is composed of 53% plains, 45% hills, and only 2% mountains. There are 3 important plains. The Tavoliere lies in the north of Puglia, the Salentina Peninsula, the high plain of the Morge. The most important rivers in Puglia are the Fattore and the Ofanto. The climate. The climate is Mediterranean. The summers are hot, dry, and breezy. The winters are mild and wet. Demographics. Most people live near the coast around the big agricultural centres. Agriculture. In Puglia, they cultivate olives, grapes, wheat, vegetables, almonds, and sugar beet, cattle, sheep, and buffalo. In Puglia, they raise cattle, sheep, and buffalo. The gentile of Puglia is a breed of domestic sheep indigenous to southern Italy. The sheep come from the Tavoliere of Foggia and mainly raised in that region. The gentile are also called the Italian Marino. 2 principal cheeses from Puglia are Giuncata, made with the milk of sheep or goat, Burrata, made with the milk from buffalo or cow. Fishing. Mollusks and crustaceans are farmed. There are mainly blue fish. Industries. The iron and steel industries, chemical industries, textile industries, publishing. The agricultural industry is very important in this region. Puglia exports wheat, olive oil, and tomatoes. Together with Emilia-Romagna, Puglia was the first region to operate the Smart Specialization Strategy 2014 to 2020, funded by the European Union or the EU. The project aims to promote new innovative industries and more work for all the people in Puglia. Salt pans in Margherita di Savoia. These are the biggest salt pans in Europe. The maritime industry. The maritime industry is well developed. The trulli. The trulli are from the 16th century. Originally, they were built to avoid paying taxes because they could be disassembled quickly and rebuilt quickly. A trullo has a cylindrical base. The roof is conical and made of limestone tiles. The stone walls are white and built without cement. The roof had an evil eye, a cross, or an astronomical symbol, and an ornamental painting. Nowadays, tourists can stay in a trulli for a holiday, or in a trullo for a holiday, maybe. The trulli of Alberobello are very famous. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The town of Altamura. Altamura lies inland. You can see some of the original city walls. It is famous for its variety of bread. The main attraction is the cathedral. The cuisine. One typical dish is orecchiette with turnip tops, and another is linguine alla tarentina. Questions? Bye-bye.